This is Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, we'll create a flow containing the Retrieve Permission Rights node in interactive mode. Before you proceed with this tutorial, you should already have learned how this node works, as well as how to create a flow using this node in runtime mode. If you haven't yet completed these tutorials or would like to review, you can access them here. Ready to go? Let's do this. Drag a Retrieve Permission Rights node into your workspace. Double-click it to display its Properties slide-out panel. On the Device drop-down field, choose your Catenis virtual device. Click on the Event drop-down menu, and then select the event for which you wish to receive event permissions rights for. Wire this node to a debug node and open the debug sidebar. Click the red Deploy button on the upper right-hand side of the Node-RED dashboard to deploy this flow. To test the flow, click the square gray box on the left of the Retrieve Permission Events node. A JSON object containing the permission rights set at each level should now be printed onto the debug sidebar. Great work! Now that you've learned how to use Retrieve Permission Rights node, it's time to move on to our next tutorial.